How are you successful in wholesaling? What do you need to be doing? One of the things I'm asked most often, what are the keys to success in wholesaling, right? How are you successful in wholesaling? What do you need to be doing? And it's actually very straightforward, right? I mean, there's a lot of elegance in the simplicity of it. And you may not like this answer, but it's really straightforward. You have to have motivated sellers that are willing to allow their property to be purchased at a discount. And there's something going on in their life, right? Something that is driving them, some motivation that's happening. And a lot of times that can be some kind of crisis that's going on in their life, right? There's never a shortage of crisis somewhere in your market, meaning death always happens, divorce, foreclosure, bankruptcy, unforeseen medical problems, all these things that create pressure in somebody's life where they might want to let go of a property. That motivated seller is an opportunity to help them, but also to go and acquire a property that can ultimately be sold. So that's one thing that has to happen. The other side, to be really successful in wholesaling, is you have to have ravenous buyers, people that are waiting with bated breath to purchase your properties, right? Anything short of that, you're already backing up. So the most ravenous buyers, the most motivated buyers are cash buyers. These are investors. They want to purchase property right now. All they need is clean and conveyable title. They just want to be able to get to the property as fast as they can. And a lot of times the cash buyers aren't really good at finding the motivated sellers. And the motivated sellers don't even know the cash buyers exist. So there is your opportunity, getting in between. That place right there, that's where all the magic happens. You have to have both of those things, and you have to have a lot of them. And when you have them, as I said, not only is that where the magic happens, but that's where you have the opportunity to change your life, to change your family's lives, to change your community, to create real revenue, real income, and a real business in a real way. There's nothing like it. There's no licensing required, there's no cash required, there's no credit required. It is just a pure will to succeed. You follow very specific steps and you connect yourself with systems that allow you to get access to those two lists. And I'm very proud that our smart system is the best at doing exactly that. If you haven't checked it out, if you haven't figured out how to use our smart system, if you haven't gone in and seen that we have tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands, millions of cash buyers and millions of motivated sellers across the country and make this really simple for you, you owe it to yourself to check it out. I hope to see you in there, and I hope to see you soon. Take care.